Welcome to Harvard Eye Associates. This is Dr. Charles Keller. Today we're discussing upcoming eye visit. In your cataract evaluation, we're going to go over your visual complaints and difficulties. Specifically, we'll discuss your difficulty seeing street signs, trouble reading, noticing glare or halo around lights. We'll furthermore look at your glasses and your vision in your exam. We're going to dilate your pupils, and I'll look at your eyes personally. We'll perform some other additional scans and topography at the same visit. At that point, we're able to determine whether or not you're a good candidate for cataract surgery or whether, in fact, other factors, which includes updating glasses, might be an option at the same visit. We're looking forward to see you in your eye exam.